Hi guys, I am Nikhil and welcome to iGeeks Vlog. Today I am unboxing and reviewing BookBook Volume 2 iPad Pro case by 12 South. I have been using BookBook case with my MacBook for over a year now. But despite my rough use, the case has almost no sign of wear and tear. Anyways, so without any more delay, let's unbox this beauty. Wow, the case is here. Let me unbox it. So the case came in this eco-friendly cloth bag which adds a nice touch to the product. Once you open it, you have this box kind of a cover which houses our beautiful case. Let's get our case out now. Wow, just look at this beauty. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait anymore and let me put my iPad Pro in its new case. Can you even guess there is an iPad inside this vintage book looking thing? People will mistake it for a book now and my iPad secure from any theft. Anyway, can you hear this? There is a layer of hard material in the front and the back side of the case which will protect the screen and body of iPad properly. Plus, this zip and spine on the side will protect your device from all four sides. Effectively, leaving no room for damage. This gets a huge thumbs up from me. Another good thing about this case is the hard shell bag that provides an extra layer of protection to your iPad. This shell provides edge-to-edge access to the screen so that you could watch videos and movies or work seamlessly. With this built-in kickstand, you could also adjust your iPad at an angle of your liking, like this or maybe like this one. Well, it is your playground now. If I talk about the design, then I think I'll tire myself out praising its design. Just look at the detailing done on this case. It is finely crafted to meet the expectation of all the techno geeks out there. You can see the stitching. Can you see how perfect and flawless it is? That is exactly what I'm talking about. The dual zipper touch of the product ensures that your Apple Pencil doesn't fall off from any little opening. Not only that, if you want to charge your device, you can simply unzip it, just enough for your charging cable to pass through. Now let's see the spines one more before we move over to the other aspect of the case. Look at this distress mark that are carefully added, giving it a vintage vibe. Anyway, moving on, you see this small pocket on the inside? You could keep your important document inside this pocket, or you could also keep a Bluetooth keyboard within. The only downside is that you need to have a Logitech keys to go wireless keyboard to fit in this pocket. Moving on the price factor, I would say the price is a bit on the higher side with a staggering $99.99. But the product is worth investing in. As I earlier said that I have been using BookBook case for my MacBook for over a year now and it is still in a very good condition. So if you are looking for something for a longer period of time, this is just the product for you. So it's time for final verdict. I would have given this case a 10 on 10, but just because it is a bit expensive, I would given it an 8. So that is it. To be in a loop for more such videos, subscribe to iGeeks blog and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to stay connected. I am Nikhil signing off and we'll see you guys in the next one.